If you're facing the issues with the Microsoft Authenticator app and it's not working as expected, here's a simple troubleshooting guide to help you out. First things first, make sure airplane mode is turned off on your device. If you're using cellular data, consider switching to a Wi-Fi connection, or if you're already on Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data. Sometimes a change in network settings can make a difference. Next is check if a VPN is active during the issue. If it is, try deactivating the VPN to see if that resolves the problem, as VPNs might interfere with the app's operation. So next, inspect the battery optimization settings for Authenticator. If the battery optimization is enabled, disable it by tapping on the settings and ensuring that turn off battery optimization is switched on. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Now, to keep things running smoothly, make sure you have the latest version of Authenticator installed to benefit from bugs, fixes, and improvements. So go ahead to settings and make sure that app updates is turned on to receive the latest updates. Now, next is check your device security settings. Set your device to require a PIN or biometric verification for unlocking. Re-enabling Face ID or fingerprint unlock in your device setting and restarting the device can enhance security and potentially resolve issues. Remember that technology can be a bit tricky and some errors may come and go. So if you face a problem before, try signing in again to see if it still happens. Lastly, if passwordless sign-in isn't working, just sign in with your username and password. Additionally, use a time-based one-time password in Authenticator for two-factor authentication as a temporary solution. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can figure out and fix issues with the Microsoft Authenticator app. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to ask for help from Microsoft support. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.